Hey everyone, it's your boy Chef Ol'Murph in Ol'Murph's backyard with a RotoQ 360 Foldable Grill Set. We have a great show for you today. We're going to do a bourbon steak tip recipe on the RotoQ skewer system with the foldable grill. It's going to be magnificent. Remember guys, no battery, no power, no fuel. Let's get cooking. First, olive oil. We got soy sauce. Bit of hot sauce. Now the bourbon, okay? Put that bourbon in. Brown sugar. Put it right in there. Black pepper. And Dijon mustard. Should I put the garlic in it? Alright, so here it is folks, about 3 pounds of our bourbon steak tip and onion ready to go, all skewered up on the RotoQ 360 skewer system. Ready to go on the barbecue. Alright folks, so here we go, about 3 pounds, our bourbon steak tip and onion. This was about 12 minutes on the RotoQ outdoor grill system. Got that nice rotation, smells amazing. All the juices blended in. I'll let you have a look. Folks, taste test time with the RotoQ 360 Foldable Grill System. Looks magnificent. That bourbon, that Dijon, that's absolutely delicious. RotoQ 360 Foldable Grill System, bourbon tips on the skewer system. No battery, no power, no fuel. Don't thank me. Thank the RotoQ 360. Bon appetit.